Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techewolves. In the last video, we have learned how to launch an instance in AWS. In today's video, we will launch an instance as well as host a simple web server, a simple website, and also protect a directory in that site as a password protected. This is an interesting topic. Hope you will learn a lot from this. Let's start. So let's launch an instance. This instance I terminated already. So we can launch another instance. Okay, can name it my web server and we will going to use Ubuntu and the latest version. Select Ubuntu 22 and instance T2 micro free tier eligible we are going to use and keep here. Let's associate and keep here 1 to 22. Select an existing security group. Existing security group. Okay, 8 GB is good enough for me to proceed. So let's launch the instance. Okay, we can see it is being launched. Till then, let's try to. Okay, then let's try to log in. It is in pending state yet, but now launched. It is initializing. Correct. Okay. Okay. So we are into the instance. Let's log in as a root. You can say sudo. Now we need to update this. Okay, it is updated. Let's install apache2. Yes, no service need to restart. Apache got installed. So let's check the status of apache2 whether it is running. Yeah, it is running. And now let's check whether we installed it properly or not. Okay. Okay, we can see Apache is working fine. Okay, so go to the Apache directory. It's available. Okay, so default one. Okay, here we are going to. This is the default document root. Okay, now we are going to add the directory that will be password protected. On accessing that directory, it should ask for a password on the web browser. So let's directory where www.html tech evolves. Okay. Okay, first let's make this directory mkdir where html and Techewolves. Sorry. Mm, Here is my cheat sheet, you can say. Okay. To close, it's here like this. Okay. Now cd where to html keywords. Okay, let's create an index page here. Welcome to Techewolves, and we can .html. Okay, now we need to create the username and password. So for that, I have this command, and we will create this file creds which contains this username and the password. Password is in encrypted format. Can give the password and username will be Techewolves. In the file, you can check that this is the encrypted password and this is the username. Now let's restart the purchase service. Okay. Now we should be able to access this page. Okay. But if we want to access Techewolves directory which is created here, I mean, if we want to check this directory and this index page should come, but before that it should ask for the password. Okay. Wow, it's working. Okay, now put the password. Yeah, it's working. Okay, welcome to Techewolves. So that's all about today's video. You can protect other directories like this also. I will post all these commands in the description section. You can get the help from there. Thank you. Thanks a lot. If you like my video, please subscribe, share my channel, and do press the bell icon. Thank you.